The legal situation that arises in the 2017 Las Vegas shooting is liability issues. From a Google search in Wikipedia, we can learn that the Las Vegas shooting occurred during the Route 91 Harvest Music Festival on the Las Vegas Strip in Nevada at approximately 10:08 p.m. on October 1, 2017. It was one of the deadliest mass live broadcast events in the United States to date. A gunman opened fire from a 32nd floor suite of the Mandalay Bay Hotel near the venue, and shooting lasted for 10 to 15 minutes, killing 60 people, including the gunman, and injuring 500 to 851 people, of whom about 422 were shot. The shooting occurred when turning the joyful music festival into a horrific nightmare. Through the videos and posts uploaded by witnesses on social media such as YouTube or Twitter after the shooting, we can see the process of the shooting, and after the police breaking the door, it was found that the gunman had committed suicide by shooting himself. At least 23 firearms and a large amount of ammunition were found at the scene. The reports and interviews about the event find from the online library. The gunman has been identified as Stephen Paddock, a 64-year-old retired McDonnell Douglas accountant from Mesquite, Nevada. On January 29, 2019, the FBI's final investigation determined that the murderer's motive could not be determined. The 2017 Las Vegas shooting exposed various issues and controversies in event management at the time. There are also problems with the division of responsibilities between organizers, venue managers, and third-party security companies. For example, should the organizer be held responsible for security breaches around the venue because the festival planning process failed to fully assess the potential risks of the venue and surrounding environment, exposing participants to external threats? Likewise, whether the hotel was partially responsible for the gunman transporting the weapon to the room was questionable because the incident exposed significant deficiencies in the hotel's security checks and surveillance. In addition, did the security company fail to exercise reasonable care in handling the crisis? According to legal records on the American Legal website, the court found that security measures by both the festival organizers and the security company were flawed. However, the court ruled that the shooting was a crime and the gunman was primarily responsible. The hotel eventually reached a settlement with the victims' families, agreeing to pay more than $800 million in compensation. The 2017 Las Vegas shooting had significant implications for event management and lasting consequences for the event industry. First, event costs have risen due to the increased expense of implementing advanced security measures and surveillance technologies, leading to a notable rise in operational expenses. Second, there has been a shift in venue selection, with organizers favoring locations equipped with robust security infrastructure, which can influence venue popularity and pricing. Third, public perception and participation have been affected, as safety concerns have caused some individuals to hesitate in attending large-scale events. Finally, there has been an increase in legal responsibility and insurance costs. Organizers now face higher premiums to cover risks like terrorism and mass shootings, alongside stricter legal obligations to fulfill their duty of care towards participants. To reduce the likelihood of similar incidents in the future, several key measures have emerged. Firstly, governments should strengthen gun control by enforcing stricter background checks, limiting the use of high-capacity magazines, and raising the minimum age for firearm purchases. Secondly, security companies need to enhance safety measures through comprehensive risk assessments of event venues, especially high-risk areas, and increase investments in advanced technologies like surveillance systems, facial recognition, and weapon detection. Thirdly, event organizers must improve staff crisis awareness by collaborating closely with law enforcement to provide regular emergency drills and training, ensuring employees are well-versed in procedures such as evacuation and first aid. Fourthly, establishing compensation funds in collaboration with governments or industry bodies can demonstrate genuine social responsibility, providing victims and their families with support, including free or subsidized legal assistance for litigation and claims, as well as immediate and ongoing psychological care. Lastly, increasing accountability and mandating liability insurance for organizers and venues to cover risks associated with mass attacks and terrorism is essential. Clear legal responsibilities should be delineated within contracts among organizers, venues, and third-party security providers to ensure accountability. Through this experience, I have significantly enhanced my digital skills across several areas. My research skills improved by utilizing academic resources, case databases, and other tools to identify real-life cases and legal analysis methods, enabling me to quickly filter and analyze information effectively. Beside that, my analytical skills were strengthened through the use of digital tools, such as mind mapping and presentation software, to systematically analyze legal risks related to contract disputes and liability issues. Third, my presentation skills advanced as I integrated visual elements into complex legal issues using multimedia tools like AI, Animaker, Canva, and video editing software. These elements, including infographics, animations, and text overlays, made the presentations more intuitive and engaging, facilitating better audience understanding. Lastly, continuous practice and learning during the video production process helped me master video editing tools. By incorporating voiceovers and sound effects, I enhanced the sense of engagement and made the multimedia content more impactful. The 2017 Las Vegas Music Festival shooting was not just a tragedy but also a profound warning. It underscores the critical importance of integrating safety, ethics, and technology in any event. By learning from this incident, we have the opportunity to provide every participant with a truly secure experience. This is not only a reflection on history but also a commitment to the value of life.